have any idea how far away from home you are? If you can't tell, I'm in the woods. About 60 acres of woods with trails and all sorts of stuff through it for hunting. Got a deer. Can't show it because of YouTube and such. But it's a great place to fly. And since we got a deer, we're not hunting anymore. So they're just trails and trails for me to run around in and test out my Crossfire. I like it, but because it's so cold, it doesn't, even though there's no snow on the ground, it's still only about 2 degrees. It's supposed to get a few inches of snow tonight, but it's freaking freezing. So every little plastic bit is extra fragile, including these propellers. So I've gone through more propellers in the last 2 days for minor crashes, just little dings. It just blows the propeller apart. Gotta find a better cold weather prop. I like the HQ 5x4.3. They're good. They're brittle in the cold, but not as brittle as these. These are the Cyclone T5050 Cs or something like that. I've got some like Indo props I haven't tried yet. We'll see if those are any good. But these are the trails. They're hard to see because everything blends in.